What's on your dream house checklist? Is it a large backyard with a saltwater pool? Or perhaps it's not a house, but a condo with a gorgeous view of a city? We're going to different locations in America to tour 3 homes at a similar listing price to see what $882,000 can buy. This is Listing Price. Our first stop is Stoneham, Massachusetts. This beachy suburb, located on the coast of Massachusetts, is only 9 miles north of downtown Boston. This 3-bed, 3-bath colonial house offers tons of amenities, plus convenience to the nearest buses and trains to Boston. On just under a quarter of an acre, this blue single-family house welcomes guests up the granite front steps. The house opens into an updated kitchen and dining room, which is outfitted with a modern pendant light and a wall of navy cabinets. The kitchen is done in a minimalist style with clean white cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. 2 French doors lead from the cooking and eating area out to the yard. Also on the first floor is the living room with bamboo composite floors and plenty of sunlight to brighten the entertainment space. And not far from the living room is a cozy office space. The room is efficient and also does double duty as a laundry room with a washer and dryer tucked to one side. The second floor of the house comes with 3 large bedrooms. There is 1 full bathroom on this floor with both a tub and a shower. Going down 2 flights, the lower level of the home has recently been fully finished. The area can be used for a family room, more work from home space, as well as a half bath and storage. There is direct access from the lower level to the backyard. The exterior of the home comes with many luxurious upgrades, including solar panels, a large fenced-in yard, and an in-ground saltwater heated pool surrounded by a fence. There is a spacious covered deck overlooking the yard, which has plenty of space for kids to play, and a large shed. For our second home, we're going west to Boise, Idaho. Boise, the capital city of Idaho, is a high-growth area routinely ranked among the best places to live in the United States. This home, listed for $875,000, is located in a residential neighborhood on a quiet cul-de-sac and is within walking distance of town parks and a bike ride away from the downtown. This storybook 4-bed, 2-bath home with lovely outdoor plantings and a small front porch opens to a comfortable living room with good condition hardwood floors and a floor-to-ceiling fireplace. From there, the space flows into the dining room with ample storage thanks to built-in cabinets as well as plenty of sunlight streaming through the windows. Attached to the dining room is an enclosed kitchen, which features character-filled touches and an updated floor. The dishwasher is brand new and the whole room is freshly painted, ready for new occupants. 2 of the home's 4 bedrooms are also located on the first floor, with 1 currently being used as a home office. Let's take a look at the lower floor where the 2 other bedrooms are located. You're welcomed by a flexible meeting area with a second gas fireplace. Off the main room, there are 2 petite bedrooms divided by a full bath and laundry room. Outdoors, there is a fairy tale backyard with different zones for gardening, entertaining, and relaxation. Completed with a traditional brick well and fireplace, the yard is a perfect sanctuary for outdoor enthusiasts. Let's head south toward our third location in Atlanta, Georgia. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, listed for $895,000, is in a condominium located in the heart of downtown Atlanta. The space opens into a large entryway, which leads to a sunlit, open-plan living room and kitchen. The floor-to-ceiling windows give an unparalleled view of Atlanta and create a feeling of open and airy living accented by the modern light fixture. The gleaming kitchen offers plenty of space to prep, as well as an induction cooktop and top-of-the-line appliances. Homeowners could dine at the full island, outfitted with quartz countertops with modern pendants hanging overhead. Just off the kitchen is a door to the unit's balcony where one can enjoy the gorgeous city views. The condo's largest bedroom also has beautiful views, along with plenty of hidden perks. There's an entertainment center built behind a mirror, along with blackout curtains and access to a large bathroom with both a marble-tiled shower and soaking tub. There's also a spacious closet with plenty of shelving. The second bedroom, off the living room, is similarly lit up by floor-to-ceiling windows. The room has its own walk-in closet as well as roller shades for when its occupant needs to sleep. This corner unit has a $700 monthly HOA fee, which includes internet. The building also offers a bar in the lobby, a fully equipped gym, and an outdoor pool for residents. We've looked at 3 homes today with listing prices around $882,000. Which one's your dream home? Perhaps you'd like to live in a standalone house with a pool, a small storybook cottage, or a glistening urban getaway. We hope we gave you a better idea of what your home buying dollar can get you in different cities. Let us know where we should visit next.